This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. One organizer must have an Apple Music family plan and family sharing enabled. Open Settings or System Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing. Invite people using their Apple ID emails. Once done, make sure invited members accept the invitation on their devices. Without acceptance, they won't gain Apple Music access. This initial step links purchases and subscriptions, so take a moment to verify each member's Apple ID is correct before moving to the next step. Next, enable sharing of the Apple Music subscription. The organizer opens Subscriptions, selects Apple Music, and toggles Share with Family. Members should accept the family sharing invite and then open the music app to confirm access. Sign in if prompted. If a member still sees a trial or individual plan, make sure they're signed into the Apple ID used for family sharing. Also update iOS or Mac OS for compatibility. Older system versions sometimes block shared subscriptions, so update and retry. To finalize, verify each member's music app shows family plan benefits under Listen Now or For You. If someone still lacks access, sign out of their Apple ID, restart the device, and sign back in. This often refreshes entitlement tokens. Make sure the organizer's billing is current because a failed payment stops sharing. If problems continue, check family sharing settings for duplicate Apple ID, and finally contact Apple support for billing or account linking issues. They can resolve complex entitlement errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.